The accounting cycle. Prepare Ledger ACC, NTB. Ledger ACC, a history of all transactions of a similar nature. Ledgera, book containing ACC. Debit side, left-hand side of an ACC. Credit side, right-hand side of an ACC. Golden rule, for every debit entry in a Ledger ACC there must be an equal credit entry in another Ledger ACC. 6 types of error are not revealed by extracting the TB. Commission, the correct amount is entered on the correct side of an incorrect ACC of the same class, example, rent debited to the local taxes ACC. Reversal of entries, entries are made on the wrong side of both ACC, example a cash sales debited to sales ACC and cash credited to cash ACC. Omission, there is no record of a transaction in the system, example the goods are purchased and the supplier's invoice is mistakenly destroyed before the transaction has been entered in the purchases book. Principal, a transaction is entered in the wrong class of ACC, example vehicle repairs are entered as capital expenditure in a vehicle's ACC. Original entry, an incorrect amount is entered in the book of prime entry, example a purchase invoice for $345 is entered in the purchases journal as $435. Compensating, errors cancel each other out, example, the debit side of 1/more ACC S is overcast by $1,000, other totally unrelated ACC have credits that are also overcast by $1,000.